The squirrel's faith. Once upon a time, a squirrel called Dora, who lived with her children in a beautiful wood. But a day I went out to look for food, and when it returned, I didn't find an either the tree where they live and either to your family. And she was desperate. Look for them and they start us about happened, but one knew nothing. Therefore, she continued with the search, but suddenly fell in a trap of a hunter. The same who had cut down the tree and had carried your children to a zoo. There was little the possibilities of finding your family. So Dada started to cry because she was desperate. Nevertheless, when I feel appeared a fairy godmother, who asked her why was crying, and she told her the reason. Then then the fairy godmother gave an opportunity for relief, but she showed transforming human, and like this she was happy because she could go look for your children. So spend many days until she find them. But there was another issue, because she was transforming human, and your children, when saw her they lived running, scared. The issue was not because she was human and no animal. So she should not become an animal, but how? So again, she was depressed and started to cry, but this time Fairy Godmother no appeared. But Dora had an idea of come back at the zoo to check if the Fairy Godmother appeared there. And the contrary, who appeared was the same hunter who kidnapped to her and their children, but this time he take advantage the ugly and funny appearance of Dora as human for transform her in a clown, and so that she worked in a circus. This way against kidnapped her, and even so she could do nothing. In this way he eventually passed the time until arrived the great day, and the fairy godmother appeared. There made into her again in a squirrel, and next she goes back of your children, and they decide get other good for be happy again. The moral of the story is always we must have faith, matter each situation, because at the end always we happy things, surprise and inexplicable. The end. Bye bye.